Ever wished you could split your shopping bills into manageable chunks, especially when eyeing those must-have Australian brands? Well, Afterpay makes it a reality, and here's exactly how to use it down under. First things first, you'll need to sign up. Head to the Afterpay website or download their app. Both are super user-friendly. You'll need to provide some basic personal details and link a payment method, usually a debit or credit card. Once your account is set up and verified, making a purchase is a breeze when you're shopping online at a participating Australian retailer. Simply select Afterpay as your payment option at checkout. It's often displayed alongside other payment methods. You'll then be prompted to either log into your Afterpay account or confirm your purchase details. Afterpay will then automatically split your total cost into 4 equal, interest-free installments. These installments are typically due every fortnight, aligning with when most people get paid. It's crucial to remember these due dates to avoid any late fees. Check the terms and conditions within the app or on their website for the specifics. Understanding your payment schedule and spending habits is key to using buy now pay later services like Afterpay responsibly. By spreading out your payments, you can manage your budget more effectively and still enjoy the things you love.